Crumbs and Co., a popular gourmet cupcake bakery, has been experiencing a surge in popularity following a glowing review in local food magazine. The bakery has seen a 30% increase in daily orders, leading to long lines out the door. While this is fantastic news for the business, it has also caused major operational challenges that need to be addressed. So here's our presentation of this case and how we solve or give a solution of this case.
Good evening, everyone. This is our midterm performance task of operation management, which is the case is the Cupcake Chaos at Crumbs & Co., a popular gourmet cupcake bakery with one location. So, Crumbs & Co. has been experiencing a surge in popularity thanks to a recent glowing review in a local food magazine. So, we've seen a 30% increase in daily orders and the lines are out of the door. So this is fantastic news, but it's also causing some major operational challenges. So watch and enjoy our video.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Yes? No, ano po order natin?
Cupcake po. Yes. Mga ano lang, 20 ka po.
Yes. What else?
Magkano po yan?
Depende po sa sa order niyo po.
Magkano pala ang price dito?
Start 200 po. May po nga, 299.
Yung 200 lang po.
Okay. Wait ma'am, mga 5 minutes.
Okay. Ano? Bakit ang tagal? 5 minutes lang yung sinabi Naghintay pa ako dito. Excuse me, miss? Bakit ang tagal ng order ko? Sabi mo 5 minutes lang.
Siya lang po mag-explain sa mga
So, hi po, ma'am. Yes. Ano ba yung problema ko? Yung order ko, bakit ang tagal?
Ano nga ba yung order niyo, ma'am?
Cupcake.
I'm sorry pa naman pinatagal kasi nagka-problema yung equipment namin. If you are willing to wait po, bibigyan ka namin ng juice para di ka po mainit and mag-give kami na another 5 minutes po kung okay lang gusto.
Sige
Medyo marami
naman.
kasi kaming order mo tapos nagka-problema yung equipment po.
Sige, maghintay lang ako another 5 minutes Pag hindi pa yan matapos, alis na ako. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Kasi
Hala! Kulang yung mga stocks ng ingredients Paano to? Ang dami pa namang orders ngayon. Wait. Ma'am, kulang po yung mga stocks sa ingredients ng paano po to?
Ano nangyari yan?
Are you sure?
Yes po. Chinek ko po lahat.
Pinamon check mo.
Yes po.
Na-stress na ako nito.
Paano yan? Marami na yung orders. Hindi tayo pwede magkulang ng mga ingredients.
Patay.
So Crumbs & Co. experiencing problems. So as shown, the problems are long wait times, inventory shortages, and employee stress. So first is long wait times. It's because customers are complaining about long wait times for Walkinstar and pre-order cupcakes. So as you can see lately, the customer is longer. She wait as promised as 5 minutes, but it takes too long for almost 10 minutes. So that's the first problem. So next one is inventory shortages, which is the company experiencing shortages because of the demand of the customers who order the cupcakes. Then the last one is the employee stress. It's because the company has a limit employees, so they need to add employees or hire new employees so that the stress will address. So hello, please with me. Alam niyo ba kung bakit tayo nandito ngayon?
Yes
nakikita ko sa report is, yung kumpanya natin is may na-encounter na problema. So yung unang problema is yung long wait times o yung mga customer na natatagalan na naghintay sa kanilang order. Bakit daw? Ano nangyari?
Sa mga ano, sir, sa mga equipments, kulang tayo.
May kulang na equipment tsaka sira na yung iba. Okay, how about sa'yo?
Inventory shortage po. Kulang po yung mga stocks.
Kumukulangan sa stocks tsaka yung mga ingredients ng cupcakes, kaya inventory shortages. At saka sa'yo, Miss Anne?
Ano po, employee stress po. Kailangan natin ng maraming
Nasi-stress sila dahil sa
maraming orders.
Madaming orders, tapos iba-iba pa yung mga equipment, tsaka kulang pa ng supply. Okay. Tama no? Tama yan kasi malaki talagang impact yan sa ating kumpanya, lalo na sa ating mga customer, dahil gusto natin na ma-satisfy yung customer na binibigyan natin ng cupcakes. So, kailangan natin ng bagong equipment, magdagdag ng supply, mag-order ng maraming cupcakes, kinakailangan kasi in-demand yung cupcakes natin, at saka mag-hire ng bagong staff or empleyado. Okay, so thank you kasi natalakay natin yung mga problema ng ating kumpanya na nararanasan. Okay. So first is for the equipment concern. So kailangan natin mag-canvas muna bago tayo bibili agad ng equipment. So bibili natin yung dekalidad at mura para maka-save tayo ng money at first. And then yung equipment is dekalidad siya or quality sa ating mga cupcakes na ibibigay sa ating mga customer para ma-meet lang yung customer expectation. Yung sa'yo naman is yung sa inventory shortages. So kailangan natin na mag-canvas rin ang mga supply chain. So doon tayo sa mas mura at dekalidad rin ng mga ingredients. So pipiliin natin yung kung saan yung mas mura at dekalidad. So doon tayo, kailangan natin mag-canvas. Yung sa'yo naman is sa training, sa hiring. So, yun nga, dahil sa kakulangan ng tao, kailangan natin mag-hire ng bagong empleyado. So, kailangan siya i-train para maka-adjust at saka ma-lessen yung employee stress na naranasan natin sa ating kumpanya. So, overall, kailangan natin ma-address yung mga problems at concern. And then, isa pa, yung sa long wait times, kailangan din natin pumunta sa trend ngayon. So, ang gusto kong mangyari is, gumawa tayo ng online world platform. So, ating company is doon na yung customer is pwede silang mag-order online para i-deliver lang sa kanila. Like gusto lang house to house ba or for pick-up delivery. So, within that, so, di ba may food panda or Grab? So, para ma-address yung concern ng long wait times, pwede tayo gumawa ng online platform solution na pwede i-deliver like mga cupcakes na gusto nilang order through online. Pwede rin pick up. Yun. So, I think yun lang na siguro yung address na kailangan natin. Ma-address yung problems na na-experience ng ating kumpanya.
So those are our presentations of this case and solutions. So the sudden increase in popularity and orders at Crumbs & Co. has created a challenging situation that requires immediate attention. By implementing strategies to streamline operations, manage inventory, and enhance customer experience, the bakery can effectively navigate this period of rapid growth and maintain its reputation for high-quality products and excellent service. With a proactive approach and commitment to continuous improvement, Crumbs & Co. can turn this cupcake chaos into a recipe for a long-term success. So that's all, and thank you.